Good evening, everybody. I hope you all had a good weekend. We're going to be looking at a couple different charts. We're going to start with the S&P 500, large caps, and the daily chart, and we're gonna do a couple of other charts. And this is brought to you by directionalanalysis.com. Okay, this is the rising wedge that we've been following. What I want to point out is some of the price movements compared to the oscillators or the PPO. Show you some of the divergence every single time. It's just been going lower and lower, so we have some divergence there. Also with the histogram, even though we don't have the volume, we don't have confirmation of the volume, we're just gonna have to see what brings the rest of the week. We may come back down to test this lower trend line and then do one more leg up, but I really doubt it. But everything's starting to roll over, so just gonna have to watch the rest of the week. Let's see, we're gonna move on to the next chart. Alright, and this is the US dollar. What's interesting about this is that it has been doing a similar pattern that what the overall market has been doing. So we're starting to crawl up. All the indicators are starting to crawl up, and we see some divergence right here on this oscillator, the PPO. Not only on the moving averages but also on the histogram, like you can see there. The stochastic is starting to roll up, and we'll see if we can break out of this fallen wedge, which is the opposite of what the overall market is doing. If we do a quick retracement, Fibonacci retracement, we can go all the way up to 81 for the US dollar, which it will bring the markets down quick, fast and furious. So let's move on to the next one. And the last chart I want to look at is the ETF GLD, which follows the gold contracts. And you can see we're doing a kind of what's called a bull flag. Once it breaks out and it comes back down a little bit with lighter volume, it may go from 3 to 5 days before it resumes the uptrend to the north. So don't worry about this. It's just gonna consolidate for a little bit. It may fall a little bit, a couple more days. I don't see it happening too much. You have some support in this area, so it's not much to worry about as far as the gold. The gold is going higher. That's all it is to it. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this. This is brought to you by directionalanalysis.com.